Hello, how are you? In this video we're going to talk about Flight Open AR application that checks flights with account receivable airway bills. Before going to the application, we must be sure that the flight we're working with is already departed. In this case, we have this flight that is already departed. Go to Tools, Flight Open AR, and double-click on it. System will show a window with all flights that haven't been checked by this application and are in the system with airway bills. When the departure field shows OK, it means that the flight is ready to be checked because it is already departed. If there is no OK in the departure field, means that the flight has airway bills on it but has not been departed. That information can help in case we need to work with that flight and it's not departed yet, so we can ask operations area why is that. None of these flights had a financial closure. Double-click on this flight that has OK in departure. System will show Transactions AR window. Here we can see the total of airway bills uploaded to the flight information, and a list with all airway bills. Airway bills with digits in blue are the ones that have a spot rate. Airway bills that have this node icon at the left have a CCA. The value we see here is from the CCA, not from the manually registered airway bill. In the airway bill list, we'll find for each one its information of type, route, pieces, weight, chargeable, public rate, warehouse chargeable, declare rate, amount, freight, some additional fees and taxes, agent's name, currency, if it's a partial, etc. If we right-click on any airway bill, system will show some options. Airway bill detail allows us to see basic airway bill details. Open airway bill will open the registered airway bill. Print airway bill allows us to print a copy of the registered airway bill. Open CCA. If the selected airway bill has a CCA, system will show it. New CCA. Allows us to create a CCA for this airway bill at a time. Change commission. Allows us to change the commission. When you check on each airway bill, in the lower part of the window, we'll find a list with all receivable concepts. These concepts will be at the invoice, so we have to check that everything is correct in every airway bill. To add a concept, press F2 button, for example like this, and to delete a concept, press F6 button. Yes. To edit, just modify any field and press on tab button. For example here. Amount must be changed to 0 in case we change the rate, because the amount will be calculated automatically when pressing tab. There are very rare cases when amount will have a different value than the calculated of multiplying weight and rate. System allows to set manually this value. For example, quantity automatically brings the chargeable weight, but this field can be modified too depending on the concept. If it's a service, if it's a number of pieces, for example. Terminal. We can put 1. We must check all airway bills one by one in order we can verify everything is okay and add, delete, or modify anytime necessary. Here, for example, I will add tags. We also can see a preview or print the airway bills list with their basic information. Here. We can print with this button or print directly with this printing button. Once all airway bills have been checked and verified, click on Close button. Are you sure? We say yes. Done this, airway bills are ready for the next step. Go to Tools, Flight Open AP, and double-click on it. This will show the Accounting Payable Flight window. Select and double-click the flight we're working with. In this case, there aren't concepts to pay, so just check on every airway bill and click on Close button. Are you sure? Yes. Now we're ready for the next step. Close here. Go to Tools, Link ERP, and double-click on it. Depending on the company, configuration will be different. In this case, it's QuickBooks, but it will depend on the company and its requested configuration. Check on the flight that will pass to accounting. If we want to print invoice in CargoLink format, let's active the Check on Print Invoice. If don't, uncheck it. We can check or uncheck. I will let it with check. Click on Process button. System will show how the file for your accounting system was generated. Here I will show you the printing of the invoice also. It's important here to know that agent name must be exactly the same in both CargoLink system and your accounting system in order to make the link OK. Here we can see all the transactions that will pass to QuickBooks in this case. I show you here the format of invoices that are in CargoLink format. Back to the system. Now, to download this file to your computer and then export it to your accounting system, close here, go to Export, ERP Files, double-click, and here you will find a folder with the name of your accounting system, in this case is QuickBooks. Now double-click on the folder, and you'll find the generated files. Copy the needed file with right-click Copy, or press Ctrl+C and then paste it to your computer to the root from where your accounting system will take it. And that's all you need to know about how to pass flight account receivable information in CargoLink system. Thank you for watching this video.